Spouses, children, parents waiting to reunite with family in America. Permanent job opportunities. Just a few possibilities now in limbo. Dreams of a green card just got a major red light following the United States indefinitely suspending immigrant visa processing for a long list of countries, Jamaica included. The suspension will apply to 75 countries starting January 21, 2026. 12 Caribbean countries are listed: Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, Belize, Cuba, Dominica, Grenada, Haiti, Jamaica, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia.
Okay, so we have a delay. Here we go.
And St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Now, in a series of posts on X, the U.S. State Department says the suspension is for countries, quote, whose migrants take welfare from the American people at unacceptable rates, end quote. It says, quote, the freeze will remain active until the U.S. can ensure that new immigrants will not extract wealth from the American people, end quote. Another says, quote, the Trump administration will always put America first, end quote. Erwin Clare, managing director of the New York-based Caribbean Immigrant Services, says it spells trouble for many families.